What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. Complete Galaxy Note 20 Ultra specs and images have been leaked. The Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will officially be unveiling on August 5th alongside with the Galaxy Z Fold, Galaxy Z Flip 5G, Galaxy Buds Live and the Galaxy Watch 3. However, the images and some specification of the smartphone have been leaked over the past few days. Now, complete specification and images of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has been leaked, revealing some details that were missing in the previous report. According to the images and information that were published by WinFuture, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra features a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with QWHD resolution, 3200 by 1440 pixel of a resolution to be precise, a 120Hz of a refresh rate, 19.3 by 9 aspect ratio and HDR10 Plus support. Apparently, it will be the first smartphone in the world to feature Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and Samsung will reportedly offering a dynamic refresh rate control, changing it as per the user activity for long battery life. Another achievement that Samsung plans to bring with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is its S Pen, and with ultra low latency of just 9 milliseconds, which is matching with the Apple Pencil. The smartphone will be launched with Android 10 and One UI 2.5, and it also features an in-display fingerprint reader, and that in-display fingerprint reader might be an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Also, it is coming with a stereo speaker tuned by AKG. Under the hood, the phone will feature either the Exynos 990 processor or Snapdragon 865 Plus processor in different markets. 12GB is the RAM which you will see, and that is going to be one of those devices which is coming with that kind of a highest RAM. Even some of the laptops currently which are available right now did not come with such kind of a high-end RAM. There is going to be a 256GB or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage option. Also, it is supported by micro SD card slot as well. In terms of the imaging, the South Korean smartphone giant has reportedly made some improvement as well. Going by the report, the rear-facing triple camera setup on the upcoming smartphone features a 108 megapixel wide-angle camera with a dual-pixel autofocus, and also it is supported by laser autofocus because in this year the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra has a focusing problem, and Samsung this time around in the Note 20 Ultra will be using the laser autofocus to overcome that problem. Also, the 108 megapixel is going to support an 8K video recording in 30 frames per second, and that is going to be an awesome thing because such kind of a high-end specification was only seen in the cameras which are so much expensive. There is also a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera sensor is present inside, and that camera sensor is going to be pretty much similar to the Samsung Galaxy S20. The third camera on the back is going to be a 12 megapixel unit of a periscopic style which has a 5x of optical zoom. Apparently, Samsung is kissing goodbye to the 100x space zoom feature with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The device will reportedly max out 50x digital zoom. At the front, the smartphone reportedly features a 10 megapixel selfie camera with a dual pixel autofocus which has a f2.2 aperture. Other features of the phone including a dual SIM card slot and an eSIM. Connectivity features like the dual frequency GPS, 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC and the Type-C, which is a new USB 3.2 Type-C port is also present. Also, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra brings console quality gaming via Project X Cloud Xbox Game Pass. Apparently, Samsung has worked closely with Microsoft to bring and optimize cloud gaming on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra via Project Cloud. More than 90 gaming titles will reportedly be available on the upcoming Galaxy Note device via Xbox Game Pass. The smartphone is also set to bring automatic one-node synchronization for notes. The report further states that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra measures a dimensions of 164.8 by 77.2 by 8.1 mm, and it is powered by a 4500 mAh of a battery. The phone will support a 45 watt of fast charging, also support wireless charging, reverse wireless charging and an IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. The device will launch in at least two colors, and that colors is going to be Mystic Black and Mystic Browns. The upcoming smartphone will reportedly come with a wireless DeX feature that lets you to work on a monitor wirelessly. Lastly is going to be the price, and the price has not yet been confirmed from any sources over the internet, and it is my opinion that this device is going to be cost you around 14 or $1500 of a price tag, because comparing with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra earlier this year, it has been charged us around $13 to $1400. So this device is going to be one of the expensive devices currently which Samsung is going to provide, and also it is going to be one of those devices which is going to be one of the fastest devices right now available in the market. So guys, that is my opinion about that particular device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? Will this device is going to be your device of a choice? Because if you buy that device, that is going to be lasting you around 3 or 4 years upcoming. So that is it in this particular video. So I hope that video will help you out to understand the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And if you want more information about the latest news about the Samsung devices and also the other smartphones which are currently coming in the market, you can subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.